Hi everyone, this is Carol. Welcome back to the official channel VideoProc Vlogger. New series of VideoProc guide tutorials is now available in this channel, where you can find a complete set of videos showing you how to create stunning videos from scratch in VideoProc Vlogger. But before we dive into the journey, make sure you check out the link in the description box down below to download the software for free. Alright, so now let's get the video started. Today we will show you how to add cinematic black bars in your video through 4 ways with VideoProc Vlogger. If you know the exact resolution of your video, then without even entering the edit page, the black bar could be inserted in the project window. Double-click to open the software. As the project window jumps out, come to this area, the video resolution here. Well, you could increase the height by around 30% to 50% based on how you are going to change your video resolution. For instance, if you are using a resolution of 1280 with 720, just change it to 1280 with 1080. If you are using a resolution of 1980 with 1080, change your height to 1440. Once the adjustment is made, click here and you are done. Well, all you need to do next is to import the footage. Place the footage on the track. You could see the black bars has been generated. If there is no other edits need to be created, click Export and select directory where you want to save your work and input your file name. Well, there you have your black bars added to your video. One good thing about the method is that it could keep almost every piece of the original content and doesn't damage your clarity and quality, but it will change the resolution of the original video. If you are willing to sacrifice certain part of your frame by adding the black bars, you could try the second method. This method allows you to insert a black bar without modifying the resolution of the video. To make it happen, we're gonna create a sequence with the same resolution as the original one. In this case, the resolution of the video I'm working on is 1920 with 1080. Thus, I could go with the default ratio. Once you create a project, well, same as before. Import a video. Drag it to your video track. Well, at this point, nothing has changed to your video. Now, let's click on the crop button. Open the crop window. Down here, you could see a bunch of preset ratio you could work with. Try to see if there is something you like or something works for you. This preset works well on my footage. Each time you make a change, the result will be displayed in real time in the preview window on the right hand. You could see the added effect here. Alternatively, if you find no desired one in the preset, try custom. In this way, you could change the scale however you want. Select this little yellow ball, drag it up and down. If you accidentally make some change that get the image look weird, click undo here on the top left corner to cancel the previous steps. Or use the reset button on the upper right to restore the image to original state. Once all the edits have been made, click Apply and the change will take effect in your video clip. One thing I want to show you here is that whether your croppings on both sides are in the same length or not, the software will automatically center the clip, not requiring you any manual work. Besides, the system will keep the original info of your video. So, if you are not satisfied with the effect afterwards, you could click Crop again to remodify. When you finish your editing, click Export. With this method, you might lose some information of the video since it is built on cropping. So, if you want to keep all the pieces, check out the third method I'm about to show you. If you want to add a black bar to the image without altering the resolution or losing the content, try compress the image. This will do what you need, but the image will look a little bit squashed. Again, create a project that comes with the same resolution as the original footage. Place the clip on the video track. Well, at this point, you don't need to click any towards the bottom. Simply double-click on the screen in the preview window, and you could find 9 dots showing on the screen. Let's select the top one and drag it downward. Then, you could see the first black bar being created at the top of the screen. We make the same actions to a little dot on the bottom. The black edge on the bottom also appears. You can adjust it as much as you want until you get a desired result. If you make a mistake, undo the previous steps by clicking Undo on the left. Or use the reset button at the upper right to return the image to original state. And make adjustment again. Click Export when you finish all your edits, and you are done. If you're not happy with the width of the black border you create, try applying a black border template. Find a black bar PNG file online, preferably with the same resolution as the original video. Import the file to the software and drag it down here to the overlay track. Click on the 4 dots in the corners and stretch them outwards until it completely covers the top and the bottom edge of the original image. If you want to go with something more convenient, find the scale option in the transform here in the inspector section. Move the slider until the black edges cover the top and the bottom of the original video. Well, these are the 4 easy and quick methods that you could use to create cinematic black bars in your video. Choose one you want to work with and add it to your video. Make sure you check out the link in the description box down below to download the software for free and make your own black edged video. Alright, now you've reached the end of today's video about how to add black bars with VideoProc Vlogger. I think you've got it. Anyway, don't forget to click the subscribe button to subscribe if you haven't yet. We will see you soon in our next guide tutorial. Hope you enjoy. Bye bye!